Rage on that beat, going crazy.
What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to walk you through a lower body, upper body workout. For the workout, the only equipment requirement would be lightweight dumbbells. First, I want you to start off with a warm-up. The goal is to do at least 2 to 3 rounds of 4 different exercises. I chose to do butt kicks, jumping jacks, mountain climbers, and squats. Prior to my workout, I always perform dynamic movements, which is a warm-up. So a dynamic warm-up can improve your athletic performance and also help prevent injury. Your body and muscle temperatures will go up. This increases the oxygen and the blood flow throughout your body. Your muscles and joints will be stretched out properly before you get into more of the intense activity. The best thing about this workout is that it can be done at home as well as a gym. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you would like to see more videos. So this is a circuit style workout. I will be working for 45 seconds on and resting for 30 seconds off. I will complete each round 3 times. Next, I will be showing you one of my in-person clients performing some of the movements. I also offer online virtual training and online coaching as well. So if that's something you're interested in, I will leave a link down below in the description box. Come on. Come on. You got it. Come on. Come on. 3 seconds. Come on. 2 more. Good job. Also, be sure to check out my personal training Instagram. You can find it at jaysjourneyfitness. Thanks for watching.